Hi friends, welcome back. So the goal of today's video is to show you good enough organization without spending any money or spending too much time. When we learn to utilize the things which are at hand rather than going to the market and buying new organizers, that is really valuable and wonderful. In today's video, I'm going to show you techniques and tricks with which you can use all the things that you have already at home. Are you ready? Let's get started. Creating a sari or garment bag with a cloth bag is a practical, eco-friendly and cost-effective way to organize and protect your delicate clothing. By marking the cloth bag on one side into a square, you can make a slit so that you can put a transparent sheet of paper on this side, which will make it easier to identify which clothing is inside the bag. These cloth bags are durable as they are made with good quality fabric and are long-lasting compared to the store-bought sari or garment organizers. After you finish sticking the plastic sheet, you can turn the bag inside out. That gives it a finished look. And then you can cut out one side of the handle in order to attach either press buttons, or you can also attach Velcro in order to close the bag. As you can see, the transparent sheet on one side makes it easier to identify which garment is inside the bag. So here you have all size garment bags depending upon what you want to store inside them, and all made at home at zero cost. The next tip is if you're looking to maximize the vertical space in your kitchen cupboard or shelves. You can create risers in any size or design to fit your shelves perfectly. Here is an example. Just by following a few simple steps, you can create your own shelf risers. All you have to do is select a box that is sturdy enough and cut out its lid. Then cut out one side from the base. The next step is to reinforce the boxes if necessary and add an extra cardboard for additional strength. You can stick this additional piece of cardboard by using glue gun or any glue that sticks the cardboard properly. And there you go, our own handmade shelf riser is ready. Let's see how we can arrange the stuff by using it. This is such a budget-friendly method, and it's a great way to create risers in any design or size to fit the shelves perfectly. The next tip is to show you how you can transform torn gloves into a useful organizing item. If you're the one like me who uses gloves very often, you know that around the fingers it does get torn very easily. As you can see, the part which goes around the wrist is intact, and this can be cut into thick strips which serves you as rubber bands that can be used for organizing plenty of stuff around the house. These tricks might seem really simple, but they are reducing waste and saving you money at the same time. The next tip not only declutters your home but also makes your board games more accessible. Storing board games in their original boxes may seem convenient, but it's not always practical. More often, they contain more air than necessary and less contents, especially for games with fewer components. Without the bulky boxes, it's easier to store multiple games in a single drawer or a basket, and you can label the Ziploc with the name of the game. And there are some games, like the ones which have a big board, they can be stored in their original boxes. You'll be surprised at the amount of space that you create, and this is a smart storage solution for houses with less storage space. Plastic bags that come in the shape of a roll without a dispenser can be frustrating as they tend to slip and unravel. Here is a solution. You can place the roll inside a small sturdy box and cut a slit on one side. By doing this, you can pull the bags through the slit, and here is your instant DIY dispenser ready to use. The next one is to show you how you can organize your kitchen drawer. In one of my previous videos, which I'm going to link in the description box below, I had shown how you can make amazing organizers out of paper bags. In that video, you can see the step-by-step tutorial in order to make this organizer. Paper bags are such excellent organizers, especially in the kitchen, because they are affordable, eco-friendly as well as versatile. These paper bag organizers can be used to group similar items such as kitchen towels, aluminum foil, baking paper or the plastic wrap. They keep everything organized and within easy reach. So that's all for today, my dear viewers. Thank you so much for watching. I would like to take a moment to thank each one of you for giving the support to my channel and helping it grow. Thank you so much, and I'll see you soon again in the next one. Bye-bye.